So this week we're back in our grammar textbook, and the first thing you're going to be learning is what's called parallelism in chapter 22. Now, parallelism is just kind of a strange grammar term that's used to describe how a list in a sentence is structured. So if I were to say, I like strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla ice cream, those three things are a list. And in that example, they were all parallel. They all kind of matched and were uniform in the same grammatical structure. So you'll learn more about that this week. It's not too hard of a concept. And if you just kind of learn to piece out each item in the list and kind of listen for it, you'll hear it when something's not parallel. But I also do have an additional resource video down below in the class session page that can help you. Now, the second thing we're learning with grammar is going to be apostrophes. And then the last thing is going to be a document. It'll be our last citation document, but you're going to learn how to cite the Bible and articles that you find online. And this resource on citation is going to help you next week with what we do for our reading grit and the paragraph exercise. Sorry, this is the last one. It's the second one. There's going to be 3 citations units, and this is the second one of learning to cite the Bible in an article. All right, so kind of keep that in mind that when you're doing citations, this is for next week, so pay attention. And then also, I will say this about parallelism. This issue comes up the most when writing thesis sentences for essays. Now, at the end of this course, you will be writing an essay on grit where you will have a thesis sentence. So I'm going to encourage you to keep this in mind for that to make sure when you do write your thesis and present it that it is in parallel structure.